Does one have to wander the Himalayas to work on the suffering? How about hiking in any wilderness? Hiking in any wilderness is perfectly alright, nothing wrong. Himalayas has got one plus, the energy field. So even if you don't remember, you will be reminded. See, it's answer only for you I'm giving because I can trust you. You will understand. Here a lot of these enlightened beings without body are wandering around. So whenever they see you are a sincere person struggling, they will straight away appear in front of you and help you. But in the hiking, it won't be. Any wilderness, it won't be there. See, I myself, when I fell in the deep, low moods or depression, I had the great opportunity of seeing this. Some of the masters. I had the darshan of Mahavatar Babaji in Gauri Kund in Himalayas only. These enlightened beings who are not in the body, their frequency is available in this area. That's why I always say Himalayas. There is no agency which is supporting me, which is funding me to promote Himalayas.